Unbelievable, children. It's Friday already. So let's get ready for our video lesson for today surrounding our arithmetic element of maths before you do your independent work. Now, today we're going to be looking at the formal written method of multiplication to deal with multiplying decimal numbers. Now, some of you do get a little bit worried when we are multiplying decimal numbers, but there is no need to. What we could look at is, rather than 12.4, if that was 124 times 26, that wouldn't worry you whatsoever. So we'll have a think about what we need to do with this decimal point when we go through it. So let's forget about it at the moment and imagine that the sum is 124 times 26. Right, we know that we need to put the larger number on top. So in this instance, 124, and we are multiplying that by 26. And if we draw our line, you obviously will be using a ruler. Sorry, Mr. Murphy hasn't got access to that. So we're going to start with the ones digit here and multiply it by each of the digits above. So 6 times 4 is 24. So we have got the 4 ones here and we exchange the 2 there. Then we do 6 times 2, which is 12, plus the 2 is 14. So we put the 4 there and exchange the 1 here. 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. The 7 goes there, and we can cross that out. So now we've multiplied each of those digits by the ones column. We now need to multiply it by the tens column. But before we do that, we need to make sure we got our place value holder in, because we're now multiplying each of those digits by 10. So let's have a look now. We put the place value holder in. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So we've now done the multiplication side of it. We now need to add those together. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we put the 2 here and we exchange the 1 here. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus the 1 is 12. So we put the 2 here and exchange the 1 here. 2 plus nothing is 2, plus the 1 is 3. So we got 3,224. But what we need to remember is that we've multiplied 26 by 124. The question, in fact, is asking you to multiply 26 by 12.4. So we need to work out where we need to put the decimal point. What you need to do is count how many decimal points there are. In this case, there's 1. And then that decimal point, we look at the ones column, and one place to its left, we will put the decimal point. So our answer to this question is 322.4. Excellent, children. Now it's your chance to have a go at it. So pause the video, have a go at it, and then once you've had a go at it, unpause the video and we'll work through how we get the answer. Right, well done for having a try. Let's have a look to see what we got the answer. So the question is 115.4 multiplied by 46. Now we can forget about decimal points at the moment. We can look at the sum as being 154 multiplied by 46. So let's have a look to see what this is then. Well, we start in the ones column. 6 times 4 is 24. So we put our 4 here and we exchange the 2. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 2 is 32. So the 2 goes here and we exchange the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus of 3 is 9. So we've dealt with multiplying by the ones digit. Now we need to multiply by the tens digit. Now before we do that, we need to make sure we've got our place value holder in. And now we can multiply these digits again. 4 times 4 is 16, so 6 here and exchange the 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 1 is 21. So the 1 will go here and we will exchange the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. And we need to add those together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we put the 0 there and exchange the 1. 6 plus 0 is nothing, plus the 1 is 7. Now don't forget, at the moment, that is the answer to 154 times 46. What we need to do is work out how many decimal points there are. In this instance, there is 1. So we look at our answer and we place that decimal point one place after the ones column to the left. So our answer to this question is 708.4. Right, children. Now you can see, again, a highlighted question. These are one of your questions in your arithmetic starter today. Well done for that. If you need to refer back to the video for support, please do so. Have a really good last session this week of maths, and I look forward to giving your videos for you for next week. Have a nice weekend, everybody. See you on Monday. Bye.